Alright, so we're just going along with this dye test so we can see what's going on with this shower. And this is not the best bottle for it to be happening in. Right, let's have a look. As we can see now, I've got some red coming through here. So, I've mainly done this so I can show you what's going on. But our leak is penetrating the side between the tile and that glass down that wall. So what we're going to do is give that a clean up and then we'll get caulking.
So viewers, as you can see, it's a straightforward process. If you want to find a leak yourself, or do it yourself, you mix up a solution with the red dye. You can get these at all your local plumbing stores and basically fill up a bottle and you spray between wherever you think the leak's coming from. But if it's going to be a shower base leak test, you do it a different way, but that's for another story for another time. So on this one, we already sort of knew where the leak was coming from, but we just wanted to show the viewers just an easier way to find out where the leak's coming from. So we used a red dye and sprayed between the glass pane and the tiled wall, and then that showed us confirmation where the leak's coming from. But after we done all that, we then cleaned off the wall, as you saw, with a soapy water solution and water, cleaned it all up. Then we dried it off with a rag, and then also used a hairdryer to dry it out completely, so then we can have a good bond between this clear silicone and the wall and the tiled wall and the glass pane. So there you go, and that's me just finishing off the wall now, and enjoy the rest of the video.
That's the final product. No more water leaks. There you go.